What do you mean? Why are you here? Are you here to see ATL Car Guys get a brand new car? New car for the collection. So, welcome back. First of all, stop right now because of this, because of everything. Stop. Subscribe to this channel right now. We can't make good content. We can't get all-wheel drive supercars unless you guys subscribe. ATL Car Guys, this has been a journey that I've been going on for over 2 years. One of my associates just reminded me that we actually ordered this car in 21 when we ordered 2 Z06s, and we were so late on the list that it just wouldn't happen. So go back, watch those videos. I actually bought a C8R from here at Jim Ellis, thinking that maybe 1 year later that my Z06 would come. No. 3-4 years later, we have on the channel brand new E-Ray. Man, they are like flush with Z06s. They got Z06s everywhere. Okay guys, here it is. It's my first time seeing it. They put it on the other side of this big Suburban to hide it from me, but now we're gonna see it. Alright, let's check out the spec that I ordered. This is red mist metallic. You got, you know what we like to call it, the peanut butter interior. Two-tone, GT2 seats. You gotta have the Alcantara inserts. You gotta do the Alcantara on all the pillars, Alcantara on the headliner. Have carbon wheels. This is the spec. We're gonna give y'all a cold start in a minute. Alright, come around. Carbon wheels, y'all. This was a hard decision. It was hard to say do the carbon wheels because we all know that so many tire shops and places have had problems like taking a tire off or doing any tire work, any wheel work for people, or if you scratch it, even if you have somebody to fix it or if you replace it, a lot of places are charging you extra just to work on these wheels. But because we work with Butler Tire and we have such good tire partners, I said do the carbon fiber wheels. Now I thought about taking them off and putting them on the wall, just art in the garage, which still may happen if a more aggressive set of wheels pops its head up. The contrast on it with the body colored brakes is just, it's too much, it's crazy. One of my favorite things about C8 is the body colored nacelles. All of the body colored arrow, even the check on the side is body colored. Now look at this Corvette over here. All the plastic in the trim, all the plastic black around that, all the, you know, that is not how a supercar is. A supercar doesn't have a black plastic lip. It either has a carbon lip or a painted carbon lip, or something like that. It's gotta be flush. It's gotta go all together.
Okay.
Do convertible, even though you want to see the engine. So it goes between seeing the engine and having the nacelles and the valley in the middle with the window that goes up and down, which I think from the back, from that view, it looks way more crazy like this in convertible. And seeing the engine is cool, but I think I'll go for this look. Although I got a Targa top C4, we got a fixed roof C6, and now we got a convertible C8. So it just makes sense. You guys want this? All right, I'll give you this. I'll give you this.
Sensational.
Been waiting so long for this. Oh, okay. Or that. I'll do that. I'll do that too. I know how to work this car. I promise you. I had a C8, so I know how to work this. Don't judge me. Look at this. Look at this right here. 5 miles.
Huh? What?
Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. Hey, who the been driving my? What? Hey, you do that Bowling Green? You drove my car 5 miles? I'm coming to get you, brother. I swear to God, I'm coming to get you. Ooh, all the camera systems are all pretty. And I got front left. Car goes up. Car goes down. We'll do a full, great video, all that stuff. See the car. But I don't know what else to tell you except for that I just want to experience it. So you're gonna have to subscribe to the channel so that you can experience me experiencing this car. So please subscribe. You don't have to like, you don't even have to comment, but you have to subscribe. If you don't subscribe right now, your TV's gonna explode. If you don't subscribe right now, your phone is gonna melt. Sorry. I love that top flat, bottom flat, square steering wheel, race inspired steering wheel. We did the carbon paddles, carbon wheel, not the level 2 carbon package, because I really wanted this car to have a high-end spec feel. Like, spec gotta feel Ferrari worthy, because as you know, there will be a Ferrari delivery video coming soon. So now we get to compare this. Of course, we're gonna do a video also, a real first drive of this. That's the next video, you will see it. Next Corvette video, you'll see it. Along with this Corvette and the updates we just did.
Damn!
The question is, do you guys like this interior? Or do you like the new 26 interior? But in the 26, this cascading button thing is gone. This center section gets moved here, simplified a little bit, and then the wireless phone charger that's here gets moved up here. Now, I think that's better. I don't hate this cascading thing, button tower, but I do think it would be confusing to continuously work for anyone who doesn't know a lot about cars. I mean, why you have a Corvette, you don't know a lot about cars. Because you can afford it, you're allowed to have it. Get out of here, bud. Nobody wants to ride my new car, man. What's wrong with these fools, bruh?
What's wrong with these fools?
So, tell us which one you like more. Do you like 25 interior? Or do you like 26 interior? That's gonna be a little more flattened out, a little less cockpit, you know, full-on jet fighter focused cockpit, and it's gonna, you know, incorporate the passenger into this experience a little more. I'm torn. I want to see what you guys think though. The reason that I got the E-Ray over the Z06 was this is gonna be faster, as fast as the ZR1X. This power plant already has all of the aftermarket offerings that you could want from a car. They already have superchargers, exhaust, cams. Nobody's been able to really tap into that transmission yet, but it's handling the power. So we have an electric motor up front providing over 200 horsepower and front wheel drive. We have this setup, which is years old now and modifiable, and the two systems are not connected. And that's what I wanted. I wanted those two systems to be separate so that the hybrid would always work, it would do what it's supposed to do, and then in the back, I can make as much power as I can possibly make, safely and comfortably. Even my builder yesterday, when we knew this car was coming, was like, we could go for this style of power adder, or the one that you asked for. The one that we could go with has more power, but the one that you asked for will be more reliable and will still be close to that in power. I say go for the one I asked for because I'm not a power junkie. Like, we don't have to chase 1,000 horsepower necessarily. The ZR1X is gonna be 1,000 plus horsepower, but if this car is 900 horsepower to the wheels, reliable just every time, bang, 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 it's going to be a ZR1. It's the same thing. I do think those will be the plans for the car. It'll be ZR1 style body modifications and then power. So that way we have our poor man's ZR1X. So this will be smoking ZR1s. Regular ones is going to smoke them because it's all-wheel drive. This will be smoking Z06s because it's all-wheel drive. And so everything that the Z06 smokes, all you McLarens, all you SVT, all you Mopar boys. Sorry. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. We are going to make as many videos as possible as we can. Take this thing all the places, but there are still cars coming. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool, but it's not even the coolest car coming to the channel that we'll be doing stuff with this summer. Like, tell us where we should go. Also, tell us where we should be going with this car. Are there any events that you want to see us go to? Any road trips that you want to see happen? Come on, let's take it.